welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with 2 DIY front porch decor to share with you guys. I was thinking I need to spruce up my front porch a bit. It's kind of plain and bland, so I came up with 2 DIYs to put out there. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. And if it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright everyone, let's get into today's 2 front porch DIYs. Alright everyone, these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIYs, and they will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright my glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright glamsters, we're going to start with this little bicycle that I got here. We are going to just change the color because it's brown and I want to change it with some white acrylic paint. So I'm just going to paint it all over. I'll do 1 coat, let it dry, and then do another coat. So how are my glamsters today? I hope you are all doing well. Like I was telling you, I need some outdoor decor. My front porch and my back porch, not really all that great. I do buy flowers to hang up. If you watch my vlog channel, Petals Corner, you'll see that I show you my outdoor decor, which is not very much. So I said, you know what girl, you got to get some things for yourself. Yeah, and you know I am a glam girl. I like to have a little glam in every little thing that I touch. Yes, a little sparkle doesn't hurt anyone. So I decided I'll come on and share with you the beginning of what I'm starting for my outdoor decor. Now I have this little vase here that I am going to bling out with some of our flower bling wrap. Yeah, I'm just going to put it around our vase to make it look nice. It will be going into our little bicycle decor. So while our bicycle is drying, we are just going to glam out this vase. Now I'm going to add some more bling. Hey my glamsters, are you guys just like me? Don't really have too much on your outside decor? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Yeah, I'd like to know how your outdoor decor is going for this 2020 summer season. Yeah, front and back porch. Yeah, let me know. Alright, now our bicycle is all dry. I did put 2 coats of paint. So now we're going to mix this silver glitter with some Mod Podge. And we're just going to mix them together and put them all over our bicycle. So we're just gonna spread it out all over. I like when I mix this glitter with the Mod Podge and I don't have no foliage once it's dry, and I think it's much better when you mix them together and just put it on. So just take your brush and add it everywhere. And now for our next piece of outdoor decor. I found this cute little owl. Isn't he the sweetest thing? OMG. So I'm going to glam him up with glitter and some Mod Podge. Mix them together and add him to this cute little owl here. Alright my glamsters, my first idea was just to put glitter wherever the black spots are, and I was going to add some glitter to the little wood that he's standing on. But now that I started adding the glitter to him, I think he will look much better if I put the glitter all over his feathers? All over. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm just going to add the glitter everywhere. And now that he's dry, I am going to add two little bling to his eyes. I think he looks plain now that he's all shiny and glitter. His eyes look plain. So I'm just going to add these 2 little gems for his eyes. And our bicycle is also dry. So now I'm going to add these gems from Totally Dazzled and bling out our bicycle even more. Okay, my glamsters, here is the finished look. I think they look super cute. OMG, they look so nice. Glam decor for my front porch. I love it. Or even your back porch, you can place them there also. I think they look nice with the glitter. Mr. Owl looks so nice. Alright, glamsters, I have the winner of our $25 gift card from Totally Dazzled, and the winner is Love Yourself. Yes, Love Yourself is our winner for this $25 gift card, and all the info of how to contact and get your gift card will be listed down below in the description box. And thank you to all the glamsters who entered. Now back to our DIY. I love how the bicycle look with the gems from Totally Dazzled. Oh, my gems just add the added touch of glamour to any decor that you put them on. I love her gems. I absolutely love Totally Dazzled gems. And you know what? This piece of decor looked like it would look nice inside my home also. This is really nice. I'm thinking of placing it inside. I really am. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love how they look. And here is our bicycle with some candles inside. With a candle inside, I should say, not some. I placed one candle inside and it looks so nice. I think it looks nice with a candle. You know, you're outside in the evening and you can just light your candle and sit down and read a book or drink some more tea if you like in the evening. And here's how it looks with a taller candle. If you don't want such a small candle, you can put a tall candle too. And here's how it looks if you'd like to add flowers. Yeah, I just added one big flower. But you know, you can put a bunch of flowers in there if you like. You don't have to put candles. Whatever your preference is perfectly fine. It's your decor. Now I'm going to show you how it looks on my front porch. This is how it looks on my front porch. I think it looks super nice. I'm not all that great with my porches yet, but I will get there. And I think it looks super nice on the table. But like I said, when I'm drinking my tea or coffee. Alright, my glamsters, that's the 2 DIYs for today. I think they look really nice on my front porch, and I'll enjoy them in the mornings with a cup of tea or coffee, or in the evening when I'm just winding down, getting some fresh air outside. Yeah, but leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's 2 front porch DIYs, and give me a thumbs up. Press that thumbs up button and give me a like. It really helps. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIYs that I had to share with you. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl. I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you